Duty cycle determination for welders involves a few steps. Firstly, identify the machine's output rating. Refer to the welder's specifications or manufacturer's manual to find the output rating. This is typically expressed in amps or kilowatts. Secondly, check the duty cycle percentage. The duty cycle is usually indicated as a percentage, such as 30%, 50%, or 60%. This represents the percentage of time during which the welder can operate at its maximum output rating without overheating. Thirdly, calculate the time duration. Multiply the duty cycle percentage by 10 minutes for stick welders or 6 minutes for metal inert gas or tungsten inert gas welders. This gives you the maximum time the welder can run at full output before it needs to cool down. For example, a stick welder with a duty cycle of 30% and an output rating of 150 amps, the duty cycle is 30%, the output rating is 150 amps, and the time duration equals 30% times 10 minutes, which equals 3 minutes. This means that the welder can operate at 150 amps for up to 3 minutes at a time, after which it must rest for 7 minutes to cool down. Duty cycles are typically based on continuous welding. When using the welder intermittently, you can extend the duty cycle time. Operating the welder at higher amperages will reduce the duty cycle time. Overloading the welder can damage the machine, so always operate it within its specified duty cycle.